Setting up the French table setup. First, we have a show plate, the dinner plate, and the salad plate. We have a dinner fork and salad fork. The dinner knife and the salad knife. We also have a soup spoon and appetizer fork. We have a bread and butter plate with butter spreader. For the glasses, we have a goblet, the second is the red wine, and the third is white wine glass. Dessert spoon and fork. The salt and pepper shaker. The centerpiece. And we cannot forget the table napkin. For the Russian setup, we also have a show plate, the dinner plate, the salad plate, the soup bowl with underliner, we have a dinner fork, fish fork, and salad fork. On the other side, we have a dinner knife, the fish knife, and salad knife. And also, we have a soup spoon, we have a coffee cup with saucer, and its teaspoon. We have a creamer set. We also have a dessert spoon and fork. For the glasses, we have goblet, red wine glass, and white wine glass. We have a salt and pepper shaker. The napkin. The bread and butter plate with butter spreader. And lastly, we have a centerpiece. So it's all done.